Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online. This video covers our Premium Groups upgrade. If you're looking for the standard Premium membership overview video, please visit the tutorials section on ClearCheckbook or our YouTube channel. Group memberships have several great uses, two of which are for money management caregivers and families. We originally built the Groups feature when a group of financial caregivers asked us to make it easier for them to manage their clients. We worked with them to build Premium Groups so a caregiver could log into their account and easily switch between each of their clients. Premium Groups works like a one-way street. The group owner can log in and oversee and manage their group member accounts, but none of the other group members can see any of the other group member accounts or information. Each group member is given full access to the regular premium membership when they become a member of a group. With that as a background, let's look at how premium groups actually work. Once you upgrade to a premium group, you become the group owner. The smallest group allows up to 5 members, but we support up to 100. You can access the group membership settings by clicking on Settings at the top right side of the page. After that, scroll down and click on Premium Groups under the Premium Membership section. The top of the page will give you a little more information about your group. The first thing you'll want to do is add some group members. We have 3 different ways to do this: creating a login for the group member, adding an existing ClearCheckbook login to your group, and sending an invite to someone to join your group. The first way to add group members is with the Create New User option. This will let you create a brand new ClearCheckbook login which will be added to your group. You can then give the login information to the person so they can sign into their account. The second way to add group members is with the Add Existing User option. This method requires you to know the username and email address for the existing ClearCheckbook login. When you correctly enter the username and password of a ClearCheckbook member, they'll be added to your group. The third and final way to add a group member is to give someone a special URL. When they click on it, they can either create a ClearCheckbook login or, if they already have one, assign it to your group. Another feature of Premium Groups is the ability to start your group members with a custom set of categories and accounts. You can manage these custom categories from this settings page. To do that, click the Manage Custom Categories or Manage Custom Accounts links. I'm showing you what the Manage Custom Categories section looks like now. It's very similar to the standard category management page in that you have an Add Category form at the top followed by a list of your categories. Adjust these as needed to fit your group member needs. Custom categories may not be necessary for your needs, but it can be helpful if you're in a caregiver organization and want all of your clients to have similar spending categories for your own internal purposes. Now let's go back and add a user to our group. In this example, we'll go with the first method and create a new ClearCheckbook login. We enter the username, email address, and verify the password just like we would for any ClearCheckbook login. Next, you can enter an optional nickname which can help you identify different group members. Going back to the caregiver example, having a group with 30 email addresses can be frustrating trying to match which email address belongs to which client. Use this field to give the group member a more recognizable name. Finally, we can choose whether or not we want to set the account up with the site defaults or any custom categories or accounts. When we click the Create User button, the login will be created and added to your group. Make sure you remember the login details so you can give it to the group member themselves. You can see a list of your group members on the right side of the page. It will show their nickname or username with links to switch to their account, edit their information, or delete them from your group. Below that is a way to view their overall account balances. In addition to clicking the login link from the current group member section, you'll notice that as a group owner your username at the top of the page has changed. This gives you the ability to quickly pick a group member to switch to, or to go directly to this group's management page. Now I'll show you how the account switching process works. Let's say we're a caregiver service and one of our clients, Jane, has some transactions that need to be added to her account. Rather than trying to hunt down her username and password, we log into her account directly from ours. We'll use the drop-down at the top of the page to quickly select her account and switch to it. Now that we're in her account, we can perform whatever actions we need. We can add transactions, manage budgets, view spending reports, etc. After we've done what we needed to, it's time to switch back to our own account. To do this, click the Switch Users link at the top of the page. Now that you're back at your own account, you can continue to manage your own data or switch to another group member. Let's go back to the dashboard for a minute now to see a new gadget that opened up to you as a group owner. When you click the Add New Gadget link, you'll see a new gadget called Group Members. When added to your dashboard, it provides another easy way to switch between your various group members. I hope this video has helped give a little more insight into how the Premium Groups upgrade works. It's perfect for a family who is trying to teach their children financial literacy. A parent can add their children as group members so they each have their own login independent of their siblings, and they'll be able to manage their finances on their own. The parent can quickly swap between their children's accounts to check up on things or help keep things up to date if needed. By giving each group member the full premium membership, this can also be a way to save money over buying several individual ClearCheckbook premium memberships. If you have yourself and at least 2 group members, it ends up being less per year than 3 individual yearly premium upgrades. If you have any additional questions about the ClearCheckbook Premium Groups membership, please visit clearcheckbook.com and check out our help section or the contact form to let us know.